Hello guys, today our friends of Lvifur have sent us this 71-inch glass cabinet. Let's put it together. Let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're going to be finding our instruction manual and all the components. Let's just build it. It's going to be a quick build, okay? All we have to do is just follow the instructions in this manual. It's about 50 steps. Everything comes pre-drilled. Everything comes included. Let's put it together. A quick advice when installing the doors for your glass cabinet is first install the screw that goes in the elliptical hole. Then once you level everything, then you can go ahead and install the other ones on the front. Make sure you connect the wiring on the back and also use these clips to secure all the cables that go on the back. You will also connect the power supply. I finally finished putting together this 71-inch glass cabinet. It looks amazing. It has LEDs inside that you can actually change the colors. This looks amazing as a decoration, looks beautiful. The accent of the glasses is very, very nice. You can actually put here collectibles, you can put decorations. On the bottom, you also have extra storage so that way you can store like books or, extra, items that you want to store away and you don't want them to be visible. It also has a sensor feature where if you actually put it on, it's gonna sense when there's people or there's movements around. So this way, whenever, you come into your living room or wherever you have this glass cabinet installed, it's going to sense movement and it's going to automatically light up. Now the doors on the top are actually magnetized. You can just press and open. Okay, and there's plenty of room to put decorations or collectibles inside. And once you close this, it's going to be out of reach of anyone. And best of all, you have this key function on the bottom that you're going to be able to lock the contents inside. This is very good. This is great in case you have children, and it's going to look great inside your home. This 71-inch glass cabinet is definitely very versatile. You can actually put a lot of things inside and they're all going to look great. It's just going to make the center of attention. Here we have our family photo, and some other decorations that, actually look amazing inside. As mentioned, you can actually change the light inside to change the effect of the inside content. Another great feature about the 71-inch glass cabinet is that you can brighten the light just by pressing the button, and you can also dim it. I hope that the information for this 71-inch glass cabinet was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.